In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Counter-Strike 1.6 online. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. For this method, you need to own the game on Steam. So as you can see, as long as you have the game on Steam, when you open it up, you should see these two icons over here. Now, in order to play online, simply select the Find Servers options at the bottom left corner of the screen, and the server browser will pop up. In here, you will be able to find servers, sort them by map, by latency, anti-cheat, whatever you wish. And as long as you choose a server to join, you will be able to join and start playing Counter-Strike 1.6 online immediately. Like I said, you do need to own the game on Steam for you to be able to join these official servers. Alternatively, you can also open up a web browser and go to Game Tracker to find the IP address of various servers. You can sort them by map, by game mode, whatever you wish. Just copy the IP address, go back to CS, open up the console, and in here you can type connect space and the IP address to connect to the server that you wish to play on. As long as you choose the appropriate server, you will be able to play immediately. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Counter-Strike 1.6 online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.